Hey YouTube, uh, I won this Veto Pro Pack MB2 tall meter bag. It's the Blackout series in that giveaway that I won with Weha Tools USA. I'm sure that you guys have seen the giveaway video where I unpackaged everything. But some people had made some comments. They said, hey, we'd really like to see how you fill this meter bag or what you use it for. So I decided to uh, show you what I decided to put in it. This is just the initial loading. What I decided to do was make it not just a meter bag, but also a bag where I could, do some network type related tasks with it too. So it's kind of a network tester, cable builder, and meter bag, which I think this is an awesome use for a bag of this type. And we'll kind of go over it, and we'll go over the stuff, how I've decided to fill it out and what tools that I've put on it and why. Now, as you know, these came with a tape loop, and so I put some of this red electrical tape. I like to use different colors of electrical tape. I like the ones that aren't black because, number one, the black ones just tend to get black gunk all over everywhere. But then if you need to, you can write stuff on here, so you can tag out different cables and know that this is goes to this port, this goes to that port, and you can get both ends of your cable labeled, which makes it a whole lot easier when you're trying to figure out what's what. It still has the little handle on it. I think this is the best way. I won't be using this as a shoulder bag. I will carry this in if I have a specific job. Also, the little clip on the back, I won't clip this to my belt. I think this is too big for me. Maybe some people might like that, but that's something that I probably won't use. On this side, I went ahead and put the Weha needle nose pliers, because needle nose pliers are always a fantastic tool to have on that kind of stuff. And over here, the Weha 11-in-1 screwdriver. I won both of those in that giveaway, so these definitely earned a spot with being in the bag, I thought. In this front pouch, there's not a whole lot of room. So it is, I put some RJ45 connectors. These are the pass-through connectors. So when you have your cable, and like on a Cat 5 or Cat 6, and you have all 8 of them, they're going through, and they go all the way through. And there's a tool I'll show you inside that then it crimps that cable, and it cuts off the part that is sticking through the front. Inside this front pouch, I decided to put some alligator tester leads in here. Also, this nice little cable cutter. It's adjustable with this screw if you're doing like a lot of cable and you can figure out which one. There's just little razor blades in here. And it's this is an older style cutter, but it still works really well. And there's nothing wrong with using stuff, if you know it works, then that's all you need. I also have a package of B-wire connectors. These are for putting little cables and stuff together, like on alarm cables and stuff, and then you just crimp this together. And this takes the place of having to actually solder these connectors and stuff. You can just crimp these together, and then you have a physical and electronic connection with those. So that's always good to have. That was all I had in there. And we take a look inside here, and let me get this all on camera so you can kind of see it. But always have a known good cable with you, because that makes troubleshooting a lot of these things easier. Then I have the linesman's pliers, because that will crimp beans like nobody's business. That's for sure. I have, this is an ancient cable tester, but here we'll just throw a quick demonstration on here. But you put one end in here for your 4-pair connector, and and then you get your 4 pair here, and it looks like I need to change the battery. Nice. Nothing like being told on YouTube that you got to change your battery, but that happens. But then your lights light up and it's good. So hey, this is almost live, you guys. You can't pay for this kind of stuff, so you need to get a battery for that guy. Then we have the voltmeter. This little thing that's sticking up here, this is a little magnetic tab. If you don't have one for your meter, if you use a meter a lot, especially on an alarm panel or something, you can, I'll show with those pliers, you can now hang it and then you can get your readings, and it gives you a nice hands-free method of holding on to your meter. Let me get this to fold back down there. All right, and then in here, in this back pouch, if I can get it out, this is that tool for crimping your different pass-through connectors. So you just put that in here. It gives you your different color codes, your specs and stuff for how you got to set them up to what standard. Remember guys, we're using the B standard, not the A standard. So as long as you got everything all lined up like that, you put it in here and give it a squeeze, and there you go. It will trim the cable that's sticking out there, and then you'll have a nice cable that hopefully your cable end looks like that. So that is pretty much a tour of the bag. I don't have anything else in here. So that was what I decided to load in it for now, and that's what's living in it at the moment. And as I use it, I will go ahead and either add or delete items. But yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on. I decided to do this on this work table tonight because I thought it was going to be easier than trying to do it on my workbench, which is set up for close work with handling the knives and stuff. So if anybody has any questions about any of this stuff, hit me up in the comments. Other than that, I will see you all in the next one. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you soon.